Yo, yo, yo. This is Coach Ray. Not happy that these notes were broken into two parts, but we are back with part 2 of Graphing Absolute Value because I talked for too long on part 1. Alright, so anyway, I think it cut me off somewhere around when I was plotting this vertex over here. So I got that vertex by looking at, I know it's moving to the right 2, I know it's moving up 1, so I just took my vertex, moved it over and up, and I know that's going to be my vertex. Okay, the next thing I know is I know that this negative 1/3 is going to do two things. It's going to flip it so that the v is downwards like this, and because 1/3 is smaller than 1, it's going to make it wider than the parent function. There's going to be some wide v that comes down like this. All right, let's go to devils. Negative 1/3, x minus 2, and plus 1. All right, so I'm going to change this 2 to be, thank you, negative 1/3. In here, I think it was minus 2, correct? Yeah. Move it to the right, and then this one was plus 1. All right, so we can see I got my wider v here. It's going downwards because we flipped it, and I just need some points. I already plotted that point. I have my 2, 1. They gave me some other points here. This one, 0.3 repeating, that's going to be really hard to kind of accurately put on the graph. So instead, I'm going to use these 2 right here because these are nice and easy. Okay, so one's at negative 1 on the x-axis, one's at positive 5 on the x-axis. So these will be good points for me to translate over to my work on here. All right. So let's do this. All right, so one of them was at negative 1 on the x-axis. One of them was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x-axis. And now I have enough points now to draw really nice straight lines that go through these. All right, and that is it for graphing it. So now what I need to do is just do my domain range. Again, infinity points. So I'm just going to say smallest to biggest. The smallest x for domain is to the left. This is clearly going to the left forever. So I'm going to put negative infinity. I put my parenthesis there automatically because infinities always get parentheses. It's pretty obvious it's going to go forever to the right as well. So I'm going to put positive infinity there for the parentheses. You could write all real numbers there as well. All right, range is a little bit different this time. Range, I need to start with the smallest y. To find the smallest y, I look down. This absolute value is going to keep going down forever. So that's negative infinity. Okay, it will not go up forever, though. My biggest y, I'm looking up. And this absolute value v is only going to go up to right here, okay, which is 1. So it's going to go from negative infinity up to 1. And it does include 1 because it does get to that point, that vertex point to 1. It does get up there to 1, and that is a point on this function. All right, and that is the end of the shortest video I'm going to make. Part 2 is officially finished.